In this section, we are going to learn how to use the past simple and the past perfect. When we speak about events that are in the past and we change the order in which they occurred, we use the past perfect. This is for things that are out of order. We don't use the past simple. For example, Jane went back to the garage from where she had bought, past perfect, the car for a service. When she arrived, she realised that she had forgotten, past perfect, the service record for them to complete. This event is being reported out of the order of how it actually happened. If we look at how the order happened in the past, she first bought the car, then she went to the garage for a service, then she forgot something, and then she realised that she forgot something. But because we are reporting in a different order, we use the past perfect. When it's obvious that we're talking about something that happened before another past event, we don't have to continue with the past perfect. We can use the past simple. So, Jane bought a new car last month because her old car had started to go wrong on a regular basis. She spent hundreds of pounds on it over a short period of time, so decided to scrap it and buy a newer one. So instead of using had spent or had decided, the past perfect, we can now, because it's something that's happened before this event, it happened in the past, it's completed, we can use the past simple. She spent, decided. When a time expression makes the order of those events that happened obvious, or we talk about what we meant to do but didn't do or won't do in the future, then we can use either the past simple or the past perfect. They're the same words. For example, after Jane had bought the new car, she didn't have to spend so much money on repairs. Jane had planned, or Jane planned, to buy a brand new sports car, but she didn't have enough money. So in these, when we're using these time expressions, we can use either the past perfect, had bought, had planned, or the past simple, bought, planned. And finally, the past perfect is often used to report something that's been said in the present perfect or past simple. For example, I have bought a new car, present perfect. I told you that I had bought a new car. This is the past perfect. It didn't change the fact that I'm still sometimes late for work. Didn't change is the past simple. I admitted that the new car hadn't changed, the past perfect. The fact that I was sometimes still late for work. And that's how we use the past simple and the past perfect.